Roses are red, budgets are tight, and someone is going to cry before the wedding night.
That's me. I'm gonna cry. Always.
So, welcome to Unscripted Journey podcast. And I'm so happy that we are getting to do this
Again.
again. But tell us about yourself. Tell us your name. What do you do? So
Oh my
that
God.
I don't have to give your introduction.
Oh, okay. My name is Vartika. I'm a founder and wedding planner of the Vara Weddings.
Okay.
What more you want me to tell you?
There has to be something more, no?
More?
When it's one of those trick questions where I'm like, tell me about yourself. You're also
Yeah.
supposed to talk about your dreams and wishes.
Okay, my dream was to be a wedding planner, and I am a wedding
Yeah.
planner.
But
Yeah.
we have discussed this before that you became a wedding planner at a very early age.
Yeah.
And apparently, not a lot of people have a dream of becoming a wedding planner.
Okay.
For you, it was a dream.
Yeah.
Like you did not want to be a pilot, engineer, a fairy tale princess, none of that. You wanted to be a
A
wedding
fairy
planner.
tale princess would have been a good career option. But yeah, no.
That's not a career option, that's a career suicide.
Okay.
But yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to be that since I was in ninth standard.
Yeah.
And I don't know, it's a very crazy story that I wanted to help people and I was like, okay, because I have a very good creative set of mind in those things and I like to do things for people.
Yeah.
I think this career was best for me, and since ninth only I was like, yeah, this is something I can explore, I can research. And also because my mom and dad did a love marriage apparently, so
भाग
they,
के शादी करी थी?
yeah,
So they ran away.
yeah, they ran away. So basically, they never got an opportunity to actually do a wedding.
Yeah.
Like, proper, he never got a chance to be a groom, and my mom never got a chance to be a bride. So somewhere in my mind, I was like, okay, on their 25th anniversary, I'm gonna make them marry,
Yeah.
like proper.
Yeah.
So somewhere that was also behind, and then the career was also there.
Yeah.
So I think both of them somewhere got together, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna be a wedding planner.
So we don't hear a lot of wedding planners that have a
Yeah.
purpose, right?
Yeah.
So whenever I have spoken to somebody and I talk about their work or how they started their work, very few people are able to answer that question with a story that has a meaning.
Yeah, I mean, I'm very
Right?
connected to it. Like, I never share this part with a lot of people. I always tell them that, yeah, I wanted to be a wedding planner since
Yeah.
ninth class, so I worked accordingly.
Yeah.
But I feel, yeah, there was this purpose behind it.
Yeah.
And 2 years back, it was my mom dad's 25th anniversary.
And you did?
Yeah, we
That's
did.
amazing.
And earlier I was like, okay, I'm gonna make it very big, very big. But I think with time, I just understood that I just wanted to make that happen for them.
Yeah.
So we did a very small ceremony, but I arranged everything, like from the smallest to all the things.
Yeah.
And we did a very small ceremony where I planned their wedding.
Yeah.
And I saw them finally, like,
Get married.
being a bride and being a groom for me.
How did
So,
they feel
yeah.
about it?
They were very emotional about it. They were very proud also, and I was very happy.
Yeah.
So actually, when I did that, I was like, कि अब क्या करूँ? यही तो करना था. But then now I'm so close, and I'm in love with my work. I'm in love with my company.
Yeah.
So I think it's just gonna be there.
Yeah. So when was like the first wedding that you did?
It was 2020 COVID time actually, when nobody was getting the work. Actually, COVID made it very happy and very easy for all the entrepreneurs and all the startup people, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो competition होता है, ये जो rat race होता है, जब COVID आया, because it was so new for everyone that everyone came on zero. So, every person got equal opportunity to make something happen. In our industry, जहाँ पर experience matter
Yeah.
करता है, जहाँ पर लोग बहुत time से wedding plan कर रहे हैं, and जो new companies है, जैसे मेरा, it was a startup, right?
How old were you?
That time I just turned 20. Like, I
Okay.
started in 2019 my company,
Okay.
when I was 19,
Yeah.
and 2020 I was 20.
So like people can calculate your age. Okay.
yeah, I don't mind, they can.
I hate. You are in your 20s. Why will you mind? Calculate my age. कोई फर्क नहीं
Correct.
पड़ता.
अब ये पॉडकास्ट लेट गया 1-2 साल बाद तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी, बट या अभी तो इट्स फाइन.
साउंड
So-
वाउंड आ रहा है ना, सब चेक कर लो. पता चला फिर से अटक गए.
yeah, so हाँ, तो बेसिकली जब कोविड आया तो इट वाज न्यू फॉर स्टार्टअप पीपल आल्सो एंड इट वाज
Yeah.
न्यू फॉर पीपल हु आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड आल्सो.
Yeah.
सो आई थिंक दैट वाज द टाइम वेयर आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, कोई रेस ही नहीं है, एवरीवन इज
Actually,
एट
that's what
zero.
happened in COVID.
Yeah.
सब COVID ने सबको बराबरी में
सबको
लेकर आ
बराबरी
गया.
पे आ गए.
हाँ.
तो आई थिंक वही एक अपॉर्चुनिटी था जहाँ पर वी क्लिक्ड इन एंड वी गॉट द क्लाइंट.
Yeah.
सो या
So the first wedding that you must have done, how was that? Like the amount of excitement that people generally have for their first job also.
Yeah.
Especially the things that they really want to do.
Yeah.
Right? It has a very different energy. How was that for you?
I was doing freelancing since 2 years and
Yeah.
I did a job also for 8 months. So first event तो नहीं था मेरा, but yeah, it was like कुछ भी होगा तो वर्तिका ही निकलेगा मुंह से. तो मुझे वो एक डर था
Yeah.
that you know I still fear it that no matter what किसी की शादी नहीं बिगड़नी चाहिए. मुझे बस वो लगता है कि maybe I take a step back, maybe I cut off my responsibilities, but I make sure that अगर मुझे कहीं पे थोड़ा भी doubt है that I can't do something, I take a step back because no matter what, it's happening for them for very first time and the
Yeah.
only time. It's not like a birthday जो हर साल आएगा.
Yeah.
शादी है, एक ही बार होनी है. In
With
some
the
cases,
amount of divorces happening now.
yeah, in some cases. So I was like कि ठीक है, एक डर था, but वो डर ही actually it encourages you to work more hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
it
yeah.
does actually.
So I was like, I was so active on that wedding. I was like कि कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए, कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. And हुआ बहुत कुछ हुआ, लेकिन nothing happened from our side. Like there was some weather problems, there was some client issues, but overall everything went well. It was really good. And
Yeah.
one wedding comes with more clients.
Yeah.
I think हमारे industry में word of mouth is very important.
It is.
So when people say how do you generate leads, I'm like I do weddings. It generates the leads and all.
Yeah, I have seen like even in my house we are a big family. So
Yeah.
अगर एक wedding planner ने किसी एक cousin की शादी करी है
फिर वो
तो वो
सारे-
wedding सारे
correct.
because you also create a lot of rapport and good relationship with the people
Correct.
in the wedding.
Yeah.
Right? So it's literally word of mouth. Like
Correct.
I don't think social media can help you in terms of this
Yeah.
this particular thing.
It does, but I think people doing other marketing thing,
Yeah.
I think that is okay. Social media तो of course because everyone has the phone in their hand now,
Yeah.
reel is there,
Yeah.
so it's a very
Yeah.
massive thing to do in the marketing. But otherwise एक शादी में 300 लोग आ रहे हैं तो वो 300 लोग ही आपके lead हैं.
Yeah.
You have to talk to them, if not them, and I think शादी तो होनी ही है.
Yeah.
It's like the best thing about my business is कि ये रुकेगा नहीं. People will never stop celebrating, no matter what.
Right.
So yeah, that was the marketing thing.
Okay. So how many weddings have you done till now?
Till now, we recently finished our 37th wedding.
Okay, so in
So, yeah.
complete 37 wedding
Yeah.
events that you have planned and everything, there has to be one moment where you felt like, I can't do this anymore. Or this is too much, like I shouldn't have been here for this.
Yeah, I mean, not one. A lot of times I feel like
But
that.
what was the first time that really panicked you?
First time was so basically the very first time was जब वरमाला खो गई थी and now it keeps on happening. I think
Yeah.
there's something with me. I don't know. No matter how close I keep the वरमाला के 1 मिनट पहले वरमाला नहीं मिलती है and then ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वो गायब ही हो गई है. नहीं, वो the moment couple is standing there वरमाला automatically appear हो जाता है.
Yeah.
बट वो 2 मिनट के लिए तो गायब होता ही है एंड आई
Yeah.
डोंट नो व्हाट इज दैट. आई वांट टू स्टॉप दैट व्हाटएवर इज हैपनिंग विद मी. बट द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम जब वो हुआ था आई वाज गोइंग टू क्राई बिकॉज it was a very weird moment because the couple was going to stand on the stage
Yeah.
and it was a Varmala event only, so we
Yeah.
can't even say कि ठीक है पहले ये कर लो फिर ये कर लेना. No, it was just Varmala and we were not able to find the Varmala.
And then did you find it?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
But that 2 minutes of
Yeah.
all of us suffering
Yeah.
was really bad, and I was like, I will never do any wedding again because I'm gonna spoil this moment for them.
Yeah.
But I did not, and Varmala आ गई, appear हो गई एकदम से कहीं से.
I think people in weddings, whenever it
Yeah.
comes to Varmalas, especially if there are like relatives or cousins and everything, सबको लगता है नहीं नहीं मैंने पकड़ा हुआ है, मैं लेके जाऊंगी, और नहीं नहीं मैं लेके जाऊंगी.
Yeah.
पता नहीं क्यों लोगों को इतना इंटरेस्ट है वरमाला साथ में लेके जाने का.
I don't know.
I am literally the last person who will ever like say कि I said why should I do it?
I think these are the same people जो स्कूल में बोलते थे मैम मुझे thought of the day चाहिए. I feel these are exactly same people. I still remember few people from my class like कि I will do the thought of the day. I was like अभी वो वरमाला में दिख रहा है मुझे.
You're right.
हाँ. I don't know.
These are the annoying monitors of the class.
Yeah.
जिनको stage पसंद है. They
हाँ.
want people to see them, and we shouldn't be so bitchy about it because it's nice. There are some people who actually.
Yeah, but now they're fighting for varmalas. Now they need to hold the varmala.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we know Varmala is one very small thing when it comes to a wedding.
Yeah, correct.
And wedding planners do a lot.
Yeah, correct.
Like a lot. But people have a notion about wedding plans that people think the work that you do, and then there's work that you actually do.
Yeah.
There's a lot of difference in that. So could you tell me the difference that is actually there?
So, actually, this question, even client asked me like a lot of times that, you know, you have written, Vartika, the scope of work in your contract that, okay, you're going to do this, this, this.
Yeah.
And then they're like, what more? I'm like, I can't tell you what more right now because every family comes with different issues and different situation during the wedding.
Yeah.
And that time we don't open our contract and we are like, no, this is not written in our work of scope. So, you know, we can't write 100 of things in the work of scope. But actually a lot of things happen during the wedding where then that time we are not like ki nahi karenge.
Right.
We do that, and I
Yeah.
think a lot of people don't know, but your wedding planner is really doing 100 things you don't know. You know, they are actually thinking in all directions. When people say ki, you know, we want this, they are expecting us to reply within a minute, which we do. But then at the same time, we are thinking that if we are going to do this, how it will impact each family member, because we
Yeah.
have met each family member now, and during wedding the couple is going to sit on the mandap, but each family member will come to us and ask
Yeah.
that why did you opt this option.
Yeah.
So we have to be ready with the answer. So I think there are a lot of things which are going on backhand which people don't know.
Yeah.
And I wish
They
there was
knew.
some way to tell everyone.
Yeah. Is there anything like that has ever happened? Any incident where you are doing something, but then the person who's hired you thinks that you're not doing enough?
Yeah, a lot of times it does happen because what they see is on the surface level
Yeah.
that हमने कुछ काम बोला और वो हुआ नहीं. But then at the back of the story it's like क्योंकि उनकी मम्मा ने उसमें add on कर दिया है कुछ या उनके father ने कुछ उसमें
Yeah.
budget issues डाल दिए हैं या चाचा जी ने बोल दिया है करोगे तो मुझे loop में रखना and he's not picking up the call. So a lot of things are going on in the background, and I feel like wedding ke time pe I don't go to the couples and tell them all this.
Yeah.
It's very draining, you know. It's emotionally very draining for them.
But you know, on the
Yeah.
contrary, I personally believe
Yeah.
that the couple who's getting married, if only those two people are involved in the planning,
Yeah.
the wedding turns out better. If the families are involved, it
Yeah.
actually is a bigger chaos.
But at the same time, I feel like if the couple is involved from the start to end, they are not able to enjoy because, you know, there are so many decisions to be made. And
See, there are
Yeah.
people who are like managers from the soul.
Yeah.
They enjoy.
They enjoy, correct.
enjoy.
Correct. They do. But then I personally feel like कि मैं एक महीने पहले उनके major decision work complete करवा दूँ,
Yeah.
so that at least last का जो 1 month है, they can relax and they can chill.
Yeah.
But that is the only 1 month where families start getting involved, you know?
Yeah.
The POC, which we say, the point of
POC.
contact would be this person now.
Yeah.
And then they don't know the whole story of 8 months. They just enter in last
At
1
the
month.
end, yeah.
So they come up with their suggestions and their ideas. So I personally try to finish all my things before 1 month of the wedding.
Okay.
It's pretty easy for me.
Isn't it annoying that there are these relatives who come 10 days before a wedding?
Yeah.
And then they are like, you know, let me know, I'll do the work. I'll do this.
Yeah.
Isn't that annoying?
Yeah, it is
Not
actually.
for us, it's not. Like,
Yeah.
like people who are getting married, it's probably a relief for them
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's a relative and a family member and they're ready to take charge. But for the wedding planner,
Yeah,
it
it
has
is
to be
actually, but
because you
I
don't have a
think
relationship or a rapport with that
with
person,
them,
right?
yeah, correct, and we can tell them anything.
Yeah.
But then we are not supposed to do that. And then the
Yeah.
couple is also sometimes like, you say clearly no to them. But then we don't do that. We don't just say no to people.
Yeah,
You know,
you're in the service
I'm in the
industry.
service industry. I have to be very polite. I have to be very understanding. And if I can actually fix their problem, I will fix it, no matter what.
Yeah.
But then the client is like, no, no, just say no to them. And I'm like, but then I'm gonna be the bad person. Why would I be the bad person? So yeah, but we have to be bad sometimes in all this situation.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you a question. You don't have to name names or anything.
I will
But
not.
all the 37 weddings that you've done,
Yeah.
what is the one behind the mandap scene that is unforgettable?
Behind the mandap only.
Behind anywhere. In a
Okay.
wedding, there are
Yeah.
too many rooms and too many things happening.
Yeah, yeah, true.
So just give me one or two or maybe like 4, 5. I don't know.
Oh God, I have to go back to the past. uh, okay. I don't know if this is like a drama thing happened, but okay. So there was this bride.
I was scared before you were talking. I'm like, पता नहीं क्या बोलने वाली है.
हाँ, actually मैं भी वही सोच रही हूँ कि पता नहीं मैं क्या बोलने वाली हूँ. So yeah, there was this bride who was very much into Instagram. I mean, we all are, but I think she was getting married for the Instagram only. So she actually called me 2 nights before her wedding, and she was like, she showed me a video where there was one couple from abroad. What they did on their wedding was that after their wedding, they flew pigeons. उनने वाइट कलर के पिजन्स हवा में उड़ाए शादी के बाद एज अ साइन ऑफ फ्रीडम और लव और whatever the concept was. And she said, I want to do that. We'll make a reel of it and I'm gonna do that. And her wedding was actually in a small town, like not like a destination wedding.
Yeah.
The wedding was pretty big, but it was in a small town.
Okay.
So she said, can you arrange white pigeons? I'm like,
Does that come under your genre of?
I have stopped this question with people. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean,
You're
I
no
don't
more
know.
managing wedding, you're managing wishes now.
Yeah, actually, because when someone else does this come under your scope of work, nothing comes under my scope of work, which I've done from 6 years. Because if I would have followed the scope of work, I would have been somewhere else, not here, definitely to tell you the stories. So yeah, she said that, okay, we need 20 pigeons now, white only, all white.
Okay.
I'm like, okay. Again, we can't say no.
Filthiest birds. Filthiest.
Yeah, right. So we was like, we can't say no. So we started finding it and we got it apparently. We got 20 pigeons, very nice pigeons. We got it. We bought all the pigeons to the wedding.
Yeah.
So they were in the cage. Now see, the concept is मैं उनको ओपन से केज में डाल के लाई हूँ वापस ओपन करने के लिए, ठीक है. एंड आई वाज फीलिंग रियली बैड. सो ऑल्सो इन आवर वेडिंग इंडस्ट्री I hate horse coming to the wedding, the elephants coming to the wedding. I don't like that concept much. But then some rituals and some old things do happen and we can't say anything.
घोड़ी पे चढ़ना जरूरी है ना?
घोड़ी पे चढ़ना ज़रूरी है ना. But we have started telling our clients कि ठीक है हम घोड़ी मंगवाएंगे, but let's just call it for 5 minutes. You do your puja, you do your thing, and then we'll send it back. This is what we have started now. And people apparently have started accepting also that, okay, let's do that. So it's a good thing. So yeah, the pigeons are here. Okay. And so what she wanted was that जब शादी चल रहा होगा, she will, like the POC of the family will let me know that when I can get all the pigeons, because right after the wedding, before people start coming and meeting the couple, she wanted to do that activity.
After the wedding.
Right after the fairas only, she wanted to do it. So we got all the pigeons out in the cages and all.
Yeah.
And then there was like this one kid from the family who was very annoying, very irritating and very enthu that he opened the cage ka door. And right after the sindoor happened of the bride, all pigeons were like in the sky, sab ud gaye, which was a good moment. Like the camera guy captured it beautifully, but that was not supposed to happen, and everyone got panicked.
Kids should not be allowed in weddings.
Yeah.
I'm a firm believer that kids should not be allowed in the wedding. They are sent. You know how people say there needs to be God and God in the wedding, and people pray for God to bless their weddings.
Yeah.
Kids are Satan. They are tiny little evil little seeds everywhere. They will ruin a child like a bride's entry.
Yeah.
They will ruin food.
I've literally picked up the kids like from the collar, from the entry if they're coming. No. Stage pay, no.
In this whole pigeon thing also, I don't know why people think pigeons are like good birds. They're not
Yeah.
good birds.
I'm
They're
not
very
sure
dirty.
of them much
No, they're
because
very dirty. They're dirtiest. They'll poop everywhere they go.
Yeah.
And what peace? Gutrugu, 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 gutrugu. If you put a pigeon here for 5 minutes, the pigeon itself won't be peaceful. I don't know why it represents peace for the love of God.
I don't
The
know.
worst bird ever. My childhood friend, okay, she got married and she's from UP. So we went to UP for her wedding somewhere near Jhansi. And her entry is happening and the song is nice. We all are very happy. Suddenly, out of nowhere, while she's doing her entry, all the guests are in front of her, like coming in front of her to click pictures of her or look at her. And then suddenly people started dancing in front of her. और वो मुझे गाना भी याद नहीं है बट उसका जो भी 50 सेकंड की एंट्री थी उसकी तो ऐसे ऐसी हो ही गई वो 2.5 मिनट का पूरा गाना बज गया
हाँ.
वो स्टेज तक नहीं पहुंच पाई यार
Because people
वो
are
पहुंची
dancing,
नहीं।
yeah.
हाँ because people are dancing and I lost it at one point I started yelling I like हट जाओ सब यहाँ से पागल हो गई एक दो आंटियाँ I don't even I like पागल हो क्या
हाँ.
सामने
I
क्यों
mean,
नाच रही हो
I don't get it, and then, we can't just be rude to the guest.
no I was rude
You
I
can
don't
because
care.
you were another guest.
I was the friend. I was rude. I
Yeah.
have said things. I have yelled at my friend who's getting married because she was
So
throwing a
other
tantrum.
guests can be rude with other guests. We cannot. We are not
Yeah,
allowed
I mean,
to.
but
I
maybe
wish
you guys need a
a
guest like me
Yeah.
who will help you.
So the very first day we go and we make a friend from the guest. We are like, listen, if anyone will trouble us, you will help us.
That's a
Yeah.
good strategy. So, like, suppose if you're doing a wedding, as you said, if you've made a friend in the wedding, and
Yeah.
do you also hear a lot of, like, there's a lot of drama that happens in between the couples as well, because there are people who probably have a cold feet,
Yeah.
and there are people who probably will take 2 hours before coming to the mandap, and then there are people who also run away from the mandap. Have you ever had a runaway bride?
No, not yet. I am looking for that drama actually. But
Oh my God,
no,
I want
not
to
yet.
see that once. And not that I'm
Vendors,
wishing bad
yes,
on
they
people.
do run away. Bride and groom, no, not yet.
But I'm not like wishing bad on people or
Yeah.
anything. But I think it's a very healthy thing if a bride runs away.
Do you? Why?
It takes courage. I know if a woman is running away, it's for the right reasons.
And
if a
what about
man
a
is
man?
running away, it's just not for the right reasons.
No, not. This is a.
Men are only running away to another woman.
But
woman
men
is
are
only running
already
away for a
running
freedom.
away.
I am telling you, women are running away towards freedom. Men are running to another woman. That's the
okay.
difference.
Everyone agrees.
Everybody will agree.
Yeah.
Smart. 37 weddings. You'll probably do 100 more
Yeah. Apparently.
by God's grace. Even more than that. And your base is Bhopal?
No, my base is Bombay.
Okay.
Bhopal is my hometown. I love taking weddings here.
Okay.
But the clientele doesn't match what I have in Bombay.
Yeah.
But yeah, if someone comes to me from Bhopal, I really love being in Bhopal, planning weddings in Bhopal.
Okay.
So yeah, I do.
So when you're planning a wedding,
Yeah.
how important is the budget in terms of, like, if I ask you what is the biggest budget of wedding that you've done, and how much budget is actually required to establish a good wedding going on?
Okay. See, first of all, I'll tell you one very vague thing which no planner will tell you. शादियाँ किसी भी budget में हो जाती हैं. it's a fact. ठीक है, people who say ना कि नहीं इतना पैसा चाहिए, इतना करना पड़ेगा. No, wedding can happen in 2 lakh also, in 3 lakh also, because people are doing it, no matter if we are there or not, or if any planner is there or not. शादियां तो हो रही हैं, रुक तो नहीं रहा है, मंदिर में भी हो रही हैं, रिसोर्ट में भी हो रही हैं, पैलेसेस में भी हो रही है. So there's not a particular budget when you want to do a marriage or a wedding. Of course, now it depends ki what you want.
Yeah.
If you want something in a palace, you can't expect us to give you that in a resort or in a hotel. You have to book a palace, right?
Yeah.
So I think again it depends on what you need, what you want, how many guests you have, and what we help our guests or the clients is the bifurcation of the budget. Like your 60% goes into your venue and your food,
Yeah.
then your 20% goes into your decor, and then 10 जो मतलब बचता है वो आपका vendor, your activities or creative booths, whatever you need, it divides into that. So what I help my guests is to bifurcate this, because there are actually clients who are like कि हमारे घर में शादी ही पहली बार हो रही है, you know, we don't know anything, we are at zero.
Yeah.
So that is where consultation comes, and of course we have a free consultation. We don't charge for the consultation. We sit with our clients for 2 hours, 3 hours, how much time they need. Even if they book us or not, I make sure if they're leaving from my office, if they're leaving from a conversation with me, they at least know that what they want to do now.
Yeah.
So I make sure that I help them with this, because even if I don't get the wedding, I am very happy that okay, maybe I helped someone. This is exactly what I wanted to do. So yeah, I'm doing that.
So you're somewhere doing a little bit of, I don't know, social cause kind of thing.
I am.
I wouldn't know what to call it. But in general also, women are empathetic towards other people's problems. थोड़ा कम कर दो.
I need boundaries. Yeah, this year I told you, right?
2026, the year of boundaries.
I need boundaries with my empathy.
For me, it's the year of being a man-hater. People can have boundaries.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay. So because you have done so many weddings, you must have seen a lot of love stories. You must have seen something that doesn't fit right also. And you know, we have our own judgments.
Yeah.
I get a feeling in my gut when I see a couple.
Yeah.
And it always happens with me. I get a feeling where I feel like something is off.
Yeah.
Or no, this feels right.
Yeah.
Or stuff like that. So have you ever had a wedding where you felt like बहुत गलत शादी हो रही है, नहीं होनी चाहिए?
It did, you know, I mean, so multiple चीज़ें होती है. पहले होता है कि यार ये लड़का तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है and all, and then I'm like कि you know, end तक ये भी लगने लगता है कि नहीं ठीक है, इसके लिए यही ठीक है, because he also shows the reality in 2 days. But then of course there are couple where I feel like कि standards बहुत बढ़ गए हैं, you know, and me being single, when I see the couples, I'm like, oh my god, all this is happening, because abhi tak when you are in a different field, you don't see it so much of, you know, weddings, and weddings are very overwhelming.
Yeah.
There's love all around, right? So you see so much, and when you don't have it, you are like, damn, the standards are more high now.
I am on such an opposite spectrum of this.
Yeah, and I am in that, right? So I'm like in between, and everything is happening like that.
Yeah.
But then I do get that gut feeling, yeah, when I see, and then
it happens,
it
right?
happens, yeah. And
I
now
think it
that I've
happens
seen
with
so
every
much,
woman.
I literally just see the couple and I'm like,
नहीं जमेगा.
I don't know. If they work it out, it's good for them.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, I do get the feeling for some time. But then I just, you know, I'm like, don't care, don't judge.
Okay, let's talk
Very
about
simple.
bridezillas. We have just heard of an unrealistic wish for pigeons.
Yeah.
Now I want to know, in all the weddings that you've done, have you ever had a bride that you wish you don't have to see through the whole wedding?
Yeah.
And how is that, and why is that?
So, well, I feel personally, I don't like people who are slow. I mean, just say it, you know, and I'll get it done, you know. I don't personally like confused people also, but with brides, I'm like, okay, they are
Overwhelmed.
and all, and I'm always there for them. I'm their first bridesmaid to be there, standing with everything, doing everything for them. So I don't judge them. But the things which I hate is that they the clients not taking stand for us. So I can fight with 100 people on the venue. If they are saying anything to me, I can listen to them also. I have that patience that okay कोई लड़ रहा है मैं लड़ने दूंगी. But then मुझे बस एक चीज़ से problem होता है that the client knows, you know, they know me since 8 months, 9 months. So if they will not take a stand for me, who will on the venue,
Yeah.
right? And when they also don't, that is the time when I am like anti. I'm like, I'm just
So you've
gonna.
had a bride do this to you?
Yeah, she did
In
that.
what
You know, I
sense?
was really connected to her. Like, I was
Yeah.
so much connected to her. And everyone was telling me something where it was not part of my job. And she was standing there, and I was like, now she will enter, and she'll be like, don't tell this to Artika, because I told her ki 8 months se she is not the part of this work and all. But then she did not stepped up, which is also okay. I understood that her family was standing there, so she wanted to avoid
Yeah.
that fight with them. But then later also I waited that, you know, she'll call me and she'll talk to me about it. But she never did that. I
Okay.
don't have a closure yet. So yeah, it makes me sad.
It's
Yeah.
worse than a breakup.
Yeah, actually, I felt really
Acha,
bad.
I don't think people realize that even the people who work for you
Yeah,
or are doing your wedding or anybody who works for you are human too.
yeah,
And they deserve to be given an explanation at times. They
Yeah.
deserve to be given, to be known that if there's something happening,
yeah.
उनको भी बता दो.
Correct.
You know, you
correct.
can't just, like,
Yeah, I mean, and all out of everything, I don't expect apology. I don't expect a conversation,
Yeah.
but I do expect a human decency.
Yeah.
Because I offer that to people, to my vendors also, to everyone. मुझे पता है मैं इनसे दोबारा कभी नहीं मिलूंगी. And I make sure that, you know, whenever they leave the venue, I make sure that they are leaving with a smile. But then I don't know, much people don't do that.
Yeah.
And
So,
yeah.
according to you, we know that there is this whole concept of like bridezilla now. But
Yeah.
according to you, there are also brides who are like sunshines.
Yeah.
And they
there
are so nice.
I love
Right?
them. Yeah.
Yeah. And you've had those
Yeah.
brides
both,
like that.
Both. Correct.
So, what's the difference between the two? Is it the family? Is it they themselves? Or is it the partner that they're marrying? I don't know.
I
But there's
think-
something is off.
I think it's all how the person is. Like, you know, the most important thing which I keep telling all my brides, all my grooms, if they are also panicking, I was like, don't overthink.
Yeah.
Don't, you know, look for perfection. Imperfections are good, you know. In your wedding, if something unfiltered is happening,
Yeah.
it is meant to happen. It
Yeah.
will make your wedding more beautiful, you know. Just let it be. Enjoy everything.
Yeah.
Just keep enjoying. Me being a perfectionist, I say this because I know कि एंग्जाइटी होती है, बिकॉज मुझे भी होती है. इफ देयर इज लाइक ये चीज़ ऐसे है या ऐसे रखी है तो मुझे भी प्रॉब्लम होता है. बट विद टाइम मैंने भी स्टार्ट कर दिया है कि अगर वो चीज़ वैसे है तो वैसे भी बुरी नहीं है. लाइक यू नो,
Yeah.
इट्स फाइन इफ इट्स नॉट अफेक्टिंग एनीवन टिल द टाइम. It's good to go. And I think the brides who get this, they enjoy their wedding the most. They are chilled out, they are relaxed.
Yeah.
And the people who are like कि everything scripted होना चाहिए, planned होना चाहिए.
You had the
वो issue
scripted
आता है.
wala bride as well.
Yeah, she was like very scripted, you know, and I saw her not enjoying the wedding.
Yeah.
Like even today when I see the wedding videos of her, whenever she's smiling also I feel like, I don't know if she's happy or not, you know. I feel
Yeah.
that. And
Is it the same bride you said was getting married for the Instagram?
no, this was different. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how is it different, a wedding that is for the Instagram and the wedding that's actually for the
Yeah.
good future that you have probably planned?
See, the best part about Instagram is that it is so raw.
Yeah.
So people who are not even doing it for Instagram, it will apparently come on Insta,
Yeah.
right? This
Yeah.
is a fact, no
Yeah.
matter what. So just enjoy your wedding. That's
Yeah.
what I was saying, you know. Just do whatever you want to do. Content हम बना लेंगे.
I really like that reel you
Yeah.
posted recently.
Which one?
With your friend, you were going around shopping and
Yeah, so we were creating नानी का घर theme and we were like कि अब आ गए हैं market में एक एक चीज़ खरीदने
Yeah.
के लिए. So we were not supposed to do that. Someone else was supposed to do. But then I got way too excited and I was free, so I was like, let's go and do that.
No, it
you
was
know?
really fun to watch.
Yeah.
It gave me inspiration to do a similar reel like that.
Yeah, and you know, I was just drinking, eating the entire shopping time because I was so chilled out कि हाँ हो ही जाएगा because it was a simple task.
Yeah.
And then my team member, she was like कि what will people think Dee, you know, you are just eating, chilling. I was like, yeah, wedding planners की life बहुत chill है. And right after that, I got a call from the client that, you know, there's some issue happened. And then I
Yeah.
started crying on the road only. And then she's like, do you want me to record this? I'm like, no. Let it be. Let people think the life is chill only.
Okay, so according to you, one wedding trend you love and one that you would want to stop. And why?
Okay. One wedding trend which I love is bringing story into the decor. I mean, you know, not just ki bas backdrop bana diya, you know, like
Right, yeah.
make it story, you know, like make
Yeah.
it connected to them because they're gonna sit and the entire frame is going to be on them.
Yeah.
Make it more personalized. I think personalization of the story.
Yeah.
Sit with the couple, you know. I feel all the planners should sit with the couple, listen to them, understand what they like, what movies they like, likes and dislikes, and then try to bring something in the decor. This is one of my favorite trend. And the trend which I don't like or I want it to stop.
Yeah.
Stop?
Both.
Both. Okay. I think.
And why?
Okay. I personally think I would want to stop bringing big celebrities in the wedding. I don't know. I just prefer local artists, you know, new artists who are coming in the industry. They're
It is
really
quite
good.
nice.
Yeah.
But don't you think that there are some artists who comes to a wedding and
Yeah.
they become really famous after that?
Yeah,
and
I
then
mean,
they
if
become
that
the
is the
celebrity.
purpose.
हाँ तो ऐसे तो बेचारे
Yeah.
celebrities को
No,
तो
no,
काम ही नहीं
I'm
मिलता.
movies बनाओ ना. I mean, शादी में लोग बुलाते हैं. It's a good thing if they want it to
Yeah.
happen. But personally, I don't like it. I prefer that if someone has invested their entire career into music, they have learned something, they should get more opportunity rather than the Bollywood celebrities coming and doing their
Bollywood
task.
celebrities also dedicate their life to.
Yeah, but to the acting, to the movies, to the
Yeah.
cinema, right? I
Yeah.
mean, weddings when they are coming and doing the anchoring part or doing the dancing thing.
Yeah.
I think let the
तो
choreographers
तुम
come.
ये चाहती हो कि शादियों में लोगों को नौकरी जॉब मिले and they should get more opportunities.
Yeah, it's a very big
It's a
place.
big industry.
Yeah, big industry,
Yeah.
and people are actually getting more into it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think the people who are working exactly for that career should
Yeah.
enter there. This
Okay.
is what I feel.
And something you want, like this is something you don't like.
Yeah, I don't like.
Something you want for people to stop doing.
For stop doing, I think this only. I want them to stop calling big celebrities and all, and instead focusing on the local artist. Vocal for local. Like I literally take all my Bhopal.
No, I am
people,
vocal for
yeah,
local.
I take
I am
all
not,
of them.
I'm
yeah.
not saying that. But there are some artists, like there are some people who are like just like they have the voice of an angel or they
Yeah,
have
they
this
do.
performative power
Yeah,
that
they do.
a lot of people don't. Like
But
I
don't
would
you
want.
think investing in them and then investing half of the amount to somebody
Maybe then
else?
weddings need to have a union.
Yeah.
So you should form a union
Yeah.
where nobody can charge more than.
No, that won't
A
work in our
particular
industry
amount.
because everyone is working on a different purpose, you know, in our industry.
There's only one purpose, entertainment. What do you mean? What's the other purpose?
No, financially I'm talking about. There are purposes, you know, with the people. I mean, everyone is calling someone for a different purpose.
What is the purpose? Entertainment is the purpose, no?
The artist purpose is to entertain. The planner purpose, calling an artist, is different.
What is it?
I mean, someone has a connection, okay? So, this is out of this, okay, guys? If someone has a connection, okay, अब वो उसको बुला रहा है commission लेने के लिए.
Yeah.
कोई किसी को बुला रहा है क्योंकि उनका दोस्ती है. वो जो मेन पर्पस आर्टिस्ट का एंटरटेन करने का है वो तो सेकेंडरी हो गया. प्राइमरी बिटवीन आर्टिस्ट एंड प्लानर मैं बता रही हूँ कि सबके अलग अलग पर्पस होते हैं. माई पर्पस इज टू मेक द
So
वेडिंग
you're not
गुड.
taking commission.
We do take, but we take from just particular few people and we take from the vendors. We don't take it from the couple basically. And we keep that transparency because in our industry, when we are working in Bombay, when we are working in Delhi, we have made this union that yeah, we do take a commission. So if
Okay.
I'm not taking a commission, that will be a trouble in my community, that why she is not taking if we all are.
ये ज़्यादा हीरोइन बन रही है.
ये ज़्यादा बन रही है, तो वो कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो फॉलो करनी पड़ती है. बट अगेन बिकॉज इट्स माई कंपनी, इफ आई डोंट वांट, आई डोंट वांट somewhere. So I make sure that if there is a necessity and if I'm bound to do that, then I will take it. Otherwise, it's okay if I don't.
Okay. So another question.
Yeah.
Minimal weddings or big fat ones?
I love minimal.
Minimal.
I started my career in COVID, so
Yeah.
intimate weddings are something which
Even I like small
yeah,
weddings.
I
like
love it.
how do
More
you say the
detailings,
backyard weddings? That
Backyard weddings.
Backyard
I love
weddings.
backyard wedding. I don't have a backyard,
yeah.
but I love backyard.
I have a tiny backyard.
It's very tiny.
Too tiny. But no, even I like weddings that are probably like not more than 50 guests,
Yeah,
and that's it.
and that's it. Yeah.
And then you end your wedding on a very good note, just with the
Yeah.
people you love and like, and eating and dancing and drinking or
Correct,
whatever. Because big fat weddings, as fun as it
Hmm.
is, I don't think I have all my friends' weddings that I have attended, all big fat weddings. I can't feel my legs at the end of the day. I used to carry like a big bag of magnesium salt.
Yeah.
और bathtub में salt डाल के all the girls will just sit in hot water and salt because you can't feel anything.
Yeah, correct.
You after a point you can't enjoy the wedding.
It gets
not
very over, what to say. I don't know. I just feel intimate weddings are pretty good. There are detailings happening. People are actually talking, meeting each other, and then they know everyone at the end of the day. Big fat. I love big fat for my career. Big fat is very important.
But personally, like,
I
if
like
you were to
intimate.
get married, you'll do like an intimate
Yeah,
wedding.
if like it again, it depends on the partner and on my
Am I
mom. that-
invited in your intimate wedding?
Yeah, you can come.
What do you mean you can come? You should say you should come.
I am not even near to step 1. Don't talk to me. I don't even have a crush also in my life. Okay? I don't talk on this topic. Everyone is invited. Whoever wants to come can come.
This is my next question. What is your relationship status? If you're single, why? If you're in a relationship, why?
Why are we going there?
Why? I need answers.
I am single since a very long time. 4 years. I think more than 4 years now. Yeah.
You are eligible for being a sant, or a nun. Yeah,
Nah, I have seen no more people. Don't say this. I'm making a community of all single. Yeah.
Put me there. But
Yeah.
okay, so you're single.
I'm single.
Why is my question.
I don't know.
No, there has to be a reason. We are not single by choice.
Yeah, I am by choice single. Yeah. I mean, I'm not looking for anything right now. I mean, I'm open. But as of now, I feel, yeah, I have a very, what to say, I have a very small thing which I started doing it last year, which was, people expect, वो expectations वाला जो एक concept है ना, उसको मैं बहुत clear करना चाहती थी. तो I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be happy within myself first. Because whoever will enter now
So you
will add
went
on.
a self-love
Yeah,
route.
self-love wala thing, yeah.
Okay.
But with that, I feel like I want to focus more on my career right now. What people say.
I don't want to influence you or like say anything bad from my experience, but all my experiences are bad.
No, it's very
Self-love,
simple.
I am telling you,
Yeah.
self-love will only tell you who is a red flag and who is not a red flag.
That's it.
For women like me, जो रेड फ्लैग को लेके उसका चूरन बना के सिंदूर लगाने को बैठी हैं, हमको तो वो भी नहीं दिखता है. I am a kind of, I need to stay away from men because even if I see a person जो चलता फिरता सिंदूरी रेड है,
हाँ.
मैं बोलूँगी आ जा यार कोई नहीं, I'll take care. मतलब मैं इतनी बड़ी गधी हूँ. So for me, I need to be away from men, relationships, marriage, all of it. सेल्फ लव इतना हो गया है कि अब मुझे कोई पसंद भी नहीं आ रहा है.
ज़्यादा हो गया.
This happens, by the
Yeah.
way. So it's not a good thing. I'm
No,
telling
no,
you
no.
this from my
I'll tell you.
experience.
So mera
You
it's,
need to
yeah.
keep meeting men to give
Yeah,
yourself a
I
reality
want to
check.
meet them. I want to meet them. The only thing is that I am like कि मैं पूरा ऐसे वो हो जाती हूँ. I'll give you everything. You know, it's like it will open my eyes that
Bitch
okay,
जाते,
I
full
bitch
bitch.
जाती हूँ. Yeah, I'm like that. And I think in this generation, people are not ready for it.
Yeah.
So I just save myself from that. कि ठीक है, when I will actually feel it for someone
Yeah.
properly, then only I'll be out with that.
Yeah.
And also the very important thing is why I said the career thing is because I am a lot like I want to have a family. I want to have like full time given to the family. And right now, what my business is, it's take a lot of my emotional energy. It takes a lot of my time. And I want it to get to a place जहाँ पर मैं at least 2-3 महीने off ले सकूँ, you know, because right now I'm not able to do that.
Yeah.
I have to
But
make
you
sure.
can. Like,
I mean,
it's
I
such a
can.
choice, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Because
of
there are
course.
off seasons in weddings also.
But then in off seasons also now we have now there's no off season because people prefer getting married in off season because the budget comes in a
मुहूर्त कहाँ रहता है?
मुहूर्त के बिना करना शादी आपको सस्ता पड़ता है.
There are people taking risk like that.
Yeah.
I am
there
a
are.
strong believer in muhurats and a
Yeah,
little
and
bit
there
of
are
that.
few people who don't do that, and
Yeah.
then they start taking the weddings before the muhurat because
Yeah.
they get better rates with the properties and better that also. And
So
even if
people have
not
found
that,
a loop. Just शादी बड़ी करनी है चाहे
Yeah.
कैसे भी करे अब वो मुहूर्त पे नहीं भी होगा तो चलेगा.
yeah,
बोलो बंदर बंदर से करने लग गए लड़का लड़की क्यों बिठाते हैं? हाँ,
yeah.
कुछ भी कर सकते हैं लोग. People can do anything. हाँ.
People can do anything, yeah. There's no boundaries with
बंदर
them.
से I just remembered. Did you see that monkey?
Yeah, punch.
My God,
I saw.
fuck my life. I cried day before yesterday.
Have you seen what people are talking about the penguin and the punch?
And the penguin happened, punch
Yeah.
happened. Now one dolphin will also come in 2 months. You wait and watch.
No. What I recently saw is that the penguin, I don't know if you know about it, the penguin had an avoidant attachment style while the punch had an anxious attachment style. And now people have started talking on
Psychology on.
that. Yeah.
I think
Like,
people.
just let them be.
No.
Yeah.
No, don't let them be. You want to learn something, really do learn from animals. The other day we had this discussion.
Correct.
Right? Women are the only species on planet Earth
Close the notebook.
stupid enough
Yeah.
to sleep beside their predators. The only species on planet Earth. There is no species, not a monkey, not an ant, not a cockroach, nothing. Not a teddy bear, not nothing. No koala bear, nothing. Sleeps beside their predator. Who's a
Guys.
predator for a woman? A man. इतना गट्स सिर्फ हमारी ही मंद बुद्धि में है कि हम कह रहे हैं कि आओ आओ कोई बात नहीं तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब होगा रात में चक्कू मार देना. People can call me whatever, they can judge me, hate, comment on shit on me, like I really don't care. But I'm so done with this species.
Yeah.
The male
No, I'm
species.
not done yet.
No, I am done. I'm so
still
done.
there.
But it irritates me when women don't take this seriously. Right? It really irritates me. To an extent, but then after I'm like, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ करो फिर.
Yeah. Don't judge, don't care.
तो हाँ मतलब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I can only
correct.
tell you just to beware, just to have your guard up. But bharosa, we want to trust people. Trust people then. I just didn't jump on the sofa right now. That's all I did. So what's like the biggest lesson you learned doing this for so many years?
Doing this?
Yeah.
Wedding planning?
What you've been doing podcast for so many years?
No.
Okay.
Biggest lesson which I've learned is not to get emotionally invested much because anyways it's a very overwhelming process for everyone.
Yeah.
So a boundary there is very important. Don't judge, don't care is one of my favorite because there's too much to judge there. So I'm like, stop it. Just do your task and go home, sleep. And the third is that find a line between being personally involved and being professionally involved. I mean, I do like to be personally involved because I don't like to work otherwise. मैं इतना corporate नहीं बना सकती
Giving a
उसको.
personal touch and
Personal
being
touch,
personally
So yeah, I
two
find the
different
line
things.
between that. These are some lessons which
Yeah.
I've learned. Still learning.
And in your team, the team that you have is mostly girls, right?
Yeah, I don't know, but it's not मेरा intent नहीं है ऐसा to get the girls, but then they come to me and I feel that they are doing the tasks, so they are there since 2 years, one
Yeah.
year, how many
Yeah.
time, and there are few boys also which are way too nice, very hardworking. So yeah, but more of the girls are there.
So
And I
if
think
you were,
when a task given to a girl, it's I think they will do it because
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है personally लड़कों को अगर ऐसे बोला जाए कि यहाँ मस्ती है और यहाँ काम है, वो काम करेंगे, मजे कि पहले थोड़ी मस्ती कर लेते हैं फिर काम कर लेंगे, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. एंड गर्ल्स का ऐसा है कि नहीं नहीं, पहले काम काम काम, मस्ती बहुत टाइम के बाद आई फील लाइक दे गो देयर.
yeah, I'm telling you, they are not the
I've
nicer
always
species.
seen this, yeah. So लड़कों पे थोड़ा सा कम
The more I
responsibility
talk
है.
to people, the more I hear stories, I get more stronger on my opinion of men.
No, there are few men who are like really into work and all. I'm
ठीक है.
appreciating them also.
Okay,
But yeah.
तुम लोग डरते हो क्या आदमियों से?
No, I think
it's not just you, it's also my sister
डरते
also
नहीं है,
speaks like
डरते
this.
नहीं है. So basically it's more of like a human thing. I won't say men or women. I think a person who wants to work will work.
Do you realize?
Yeah.
Do you realize it's only a human thing for you?
Yeah. Next. Next. What is next?
Okay. So all the young girls that are working with you, do you have an advice for them? If one of them comes and says to you that I want to start something of my own, what is like big 3 advices that you will give them?
First is to be very patient. Like, in our industry, it's very important to listen to the clients because what they are going through, it's very different. You have to understand that it's one-time thing for them. They are going to put a pressure on us. We are in a service industry. Don't let the ego come. I mean, ego kills relation, friendships everywhere, but in work also, you have to be very patient. Like in our industry, patience is very important. Second, do not run behind the money. I mean, if you are in the industry just for the money, you will get it no matter what. But this is one of the industry where emotions are too much involved.
Yeah.
So find a balance between them. And third is to make sure you always take your team with you. No matter what, take your team with you. Team is the only thing which will take you ahead in life. Don't be a boss, be a leader. I mean, this is one of the biggest things.
Don't be a boss, be a leader.
I mean, being a boss will not take you anywhere. Being a leader will definitely take you to places. And I've always felt it because I've always made sure that I'm not a ma'am to them. I'm always like, call me whatever you want.
Yeah.
The Vartika, ma'am, even if they want to,
Yeah.
but I'm never gonna be like, I'm always standing with them, and I am not afraid to pick up a chair. Like, to pick up a chair, to clean the mat, to wash things. I've done everything in my field.
Would you still do it if you've already done like 500 weddings?
I still do it because, that's what makes me a boss. At the end of the day, that's what makes me a owner of a company. Just because I'm a founder, just because I'm a owner, it's not like I'm not supposed to do this now because I'm at a position. No, I have to take my team with me, and if I will do it, then they will do it. It's the simple thing. So जब मैं करती हूँ तो उनको लगता है जब ये कर सकती है तो फिर हमें तो करना ही चाहिए. So I think that is something which every leader or every boss should make sure that they do in front of their team.
Yeah. That makes a lot of sense. Thank you so much for coming. I'm done with all the questions I had to ask you. If there's anything that you want to add from your side, go ahead. We are listening. We are ready to laugh if you want to make us laugh also. Like we can. I laughed too much today, guys. My throat is paining.
बहुत खीखी हो गया अभी. अभी पूरा दिन normal निकल जाए बस. I'm so like this only.
Go to Mahakal and eat some pani puri. You'll feel better.
Yeah, I want to eat pani puri. I'm not on any diet.
Don't tickle my ego. This is someone tickling my foodie ego.
Yeah.
Because I can't eat
just
and I'm a
mentioned
foodie.
no ego. Don't keep any ego.
मैं थोड़ी हूँ wedding planner. मेरा तो ego रहने दो.
Correct. No, but I don't have anything to add on. But I just love talking to you, and
Yeah.
it's really nice because honestly speaking, whenever I finish my season, I don't just come out of my room only because
Yeah.
being in our industry, it's so overly emotionally exhausting
Yeah.
because we have to keep smiling, and then because it's a happy celebration for them, तो हम लोग venue भी enter करते हैं, no matter what is happening in our personal life, we have to be like, हाँ auntie ji, हाँ uncle ji, what's up, we have to be in
Yeah.
that energy. So the moment I'm out of the wedding, I sleep. I sleep so much. I'm like off season. I'm
Best
gonna
recovery.
sleep. I
Yeah.
just sleep. I don't talk to anyone. And I just watch movies. I love watching movies. I'm in my room chilling, having my things, watching movies.
But you
and
came to
everything.
meet
But I
me and
came
do
to
the
you,
podcast
and I love to talk to you about things. It's very relaxing.
because
So,
I'm very funny, by the way.
yeah, you are.
I was kidding, but I mean, she agrees. So
It is what it is.
it is what it is.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, though.
Yay.
Yay.